Welcome everyone to our first ever virtual assembly. This assembly is something that we're trying to do just to give a chance for all of us to get together and share some of the good news and be excited about school. We don't get together nearly enough as we would like to. So this is our first try at doing something a little bit different, and we hope you enjoy. This will be on our YouTube channel, which is also new, so please subscribe there. We're trying to get 100 followers so that we can get a custom branded URL. So anyway, thanks for tuning in and enjoy our first virtual assembly. At Course Gold School, we are blessed with some really fantastic students and staff. And we're always trying to encourage students to demonstrate their pride. And by pride, we mean students who are proactive, students will demonstrate respect, students will have integrity, students will demonstrate caring, and students will demonstrate excellence. So, in an effort to constantly remind us of those things, we've developed a variety of strategies, but Mrs. Duncan thought of a really clever idea. She thought it would be a good idea to paint a mural on one of the walls on campus. So what follows is a video that shows sort of just a series of images of how that came together. So you will see quite a few people were involved in the making of the mural, and we would like to thank all of them. Not all of them are featured in the video, but anyway, thanks to Mrs. Duncan for the great idea for improving our campus. I hope that you enjoy this video. We like to catch our students doing great things and showing Cougar pride. And what we used to do was we used to hand out little tickets that were called pride tickets, and students had the opportunity to turn these in and redeem them for prizes. Well, of course, now with all the distance learning that's happening, it's been very difficult for us to do that. So a really great idea came up in our multi-tiered system of support team meeting. The idea came up was to abandon the tickets, at least for now, and instead, when we catch students doing something great or just being awesome and demonstrating their Cougar pride, we would send home a postcard to let them know. So we had some custom postcards printed. They actually show the mural that you just saw the video about on one side. And then on the back side are some nice things that a staff member caught a student doing. So we actually have quite a few students who have already earned these postcards and can be looking forward to them in the mail. So without further ado, I will go ahead and unveil the students who are going to be the lucky recipients of some of the very first Pride postcards to go out. Here they are. Each week we're going to do a random drawing for an additional prize for one lucky postcard recipient. This week's lucky winner is Ava. So, Ava, next time you're on campus, swing on by the office and collect your prize. Congratulations. We know that distance learning is really hard for all of us, teachers and students alike, but we are looking forward to getting all of you back in class as soon as possible. And when we do, we are excited to have something that's one of my favorite parts of the day, and that is recess. Because of COVID, we've had to change some of our processes for how recess works. And so Um, I went ahead and put together a video with some help of some kindergarten students to show you how we're going to handle getting recess equipment out and collected back in. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks. Thanks for watching our first virtual assembly. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel and look forward to seeing you next week on Wednesday at 10 o'clock for our next assembly. It's been great hanging out with you guys, even if it is just virtually. We sure do miss you. Hope you have a great week. See you soon.